In the last week, I've gone from 20% verified followers on X to over 40% verified followers on X by doing this one secret trick using Grok. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can use Grok to help you create your perfect audience on X, target premium verified users, and run ads to grow not only your account, but also grow your business, new leads, and new customers. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. We are specialists running X ads. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here, but I'm going to share my screen, break this down, and show you the exact AI prompt that you can plug and play into Grok. And if you're new to my channel, comment new down below. Somebody from my team will send you this prompt so you can start using it for your business. All right, so let's get started. All right, so you can see right here, I started with just 20% verified followers just a week ago. And in the last week, I grew to 40% verified followers. I'm getting about 20 to 30 new blue checkmark followers per day, which is really helping increase my engagement, increase quality people into my business. Now, here's the prompt that my team will send you if you leave that comment down below. What I want you to do is go ahead and take this, make a copy. All you gotta do is make a copy, make it your name here, and then you can go and make some edits. So there's a few things you're gonna wanna go change. Once you change, you can see that mine is set up here. So my main goal is engagement from premium subscribers on X. I want them to message and follow me, and we offer X ads and we help automate businesses. Cool. So I'm gonna go copy this. I'm gonna head over to Grok and I'm gonna go and paste that in. Let's see what Grok comes back with. So what Grok's gonna do now is it's gonna start generating an audience for me and the ideal people to actually throw in to my X ads account. So I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna see that it wants me to focus on premium X subscribers, which are verified users. It's gonna be for small to medium-sized business owners, digital marketers, social media managers, e-commerce, automation enthusiasts. That's my audience. Now it's gonna show me how to go find that audience. So what I wanna do is find people that are interested in business and entrepreneurship, marketing and ads, technology and automation. Then it's also gonna give me keywords. So then I can plug and play these keywords into the ad account so you can follow up if anyone types in X ads, somebody types in lead generation, your ad could show up right below that. Then you wanna plug and play the behaviors, and then analyzing trends or conversations, you can always use as well. It's even gonna tell you how to test and grow this, what type of ads you should use, what your budget should be, and then what you should be looking for to continue growing this as well. So next, I want you to go back and I want you to just say, great, now how do I implement this? So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna hit enter, and now we're gonna ask it, okay, now tell me exactly what to do and how to set this up. I love their response. All right, well, let's get this rolling. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. So set up your campaign in X, choose your engagement. We're gonna ask it to continue. And what we're gonna do is head over to the ad account here. And you can see I've already started following this. And what I got was I went all the way down to audiences here. And now I have only target premium subscribers. And then this is where I'm gonna go copy and paste in all those recommendations Grok's giving me. So you can see that now name the campaign, set the budget, create that ad group, choose premium subscribers, and then start plugging and playing these in. Choose the location, United States. Super, super cool stuff. Then it wants me to go and start doing follower lookalikes, which you're gonna plug in right here. It's a follower lookalike. You're gonna plug in your keywords right here. You're gonna then take those interests here. You even can go in, work on some conversation topics, and boom, you have your full audience built out from Grok's recommendation after you posting exactly who you are, what your business is, and what you want your goals to be. Last but not least, it's gonna tell you how to make this content, what to put in for the copy, and this call to actions, and the tweets, and the visuals. So what are you waiting for? It's easier than ever to go start your X ads to grow your brand. I really prefer using X and Twitter over LinkedIn. I see a lot of business owners switching from LinkedIn over to X. They're on there for the news. They're on there just sharing, looking for trends and sports. And then you can show your ads from your business and show up when they search for something, when they talk about something, or just if they're following someone else. So remember to comment new down below. Somebody from my team will send you this full AI prompt so you can go copy and paste that into your own Grok. And if this video brought you any value, it would be awesome if you gave me a subscribe. And if you want to learn more about X ads and X profile, check out this playlist here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.